Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12R, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. And as you can see, this will automatically boot you into Fastboot mode. So that is how you'd access this mode, and when you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold your power button till the screen turns off. As you can see, the device will boot up automatically. So now I'm just gonna wait for it to boot back into Android. And there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.